Hello, babe.
Hello, babe.
Where are you now?
I'm close to your house.
We are almost to my place. Alright, I can't wait to off your pint tonight.
Yeah.
What's this boy saying?
You don't forget it today now, girlfriend's day.
Where are you? Sorry, where are you? Okay.
I'm at your gate. Come on, open the gate for me.
You are the gate already.
For daytime.
She don't cut to.
Okay.
I know. 4. Now August first be this. So 4.
For girlfriend's daytime.
You didn't, guy. You didn't leave me go. Hey, baby.
Babe.
Hey.
I miss you.
Yeah, I miss you too. What do you hold?
I got this for you.
You got this for me?
Yeah.
Why?
Just like gifts now.
Oh. Let's go inside.
I don't die, my fans.
Babe.
Babe, today's girlfriend's day. You know
Hey.
you wish me.
Today, I don't. I know. I don't. I know. Okay. Let's go inside. Happy girlfriend's day.
Babe.
Jesus.
Babe.
What is it again? Like what?
There's one flower I saw in that shop. Not far from here. Can we
Flower?
go and get it? Yeah.
Flower. Where? It's not far from
That
here.
shop, yeah, it's not far from here.
Can we go and get it?
Yeah.
Get it for you.
Yeah, it's for
I
girlfriends.
don't even know. Like my body is
What's
kind
wrong
of
with you?
hot and kind of feeling cold. Like
Oh, you are fine now.
no, like I'm from the inside. I'm not fine. I swear.
Maybe you should sleep then.
Eh.
Maybe when you wake up.
Yes. Cool.
Sleep. Babe, see
Yeah.
see this girl that her boyfriend gave her this money bouquet.
It's
So I can't
fine.
find it, so-
It's very fine. I swear. Find money bouquet.
See this one.
Okay. Yeah.
See this decorated room.
Wow. It's fine. It's plenty.
Yeah, see this wig.
This week too. What? Have I not warned you about this hair that you should stop doing this kind of hair?
Which hair?
Like this hair that you're doing. I say you should stop doing this hair now. Don't you? You don't used to know. I don't like all
But you
these
picked
things
this
for
hairstyle
you.
for me now.
Me, I pick this hairstyle for you. So what
Yes.
you wore again, Seth? I've warned you. Okay, make everybody they see what me I they see. Abi.
But I'm coming to your house.
I'm coming to my house.
What happened to this boy? Babe, do you know I really love you? Like, I really, really love you.
I know now. You said it before you came now.
I can tell you I love you anytime. You're my boyfriend.
You don't tell me today. I know you love me. Like
Promise you're going to take care of me.
I'll take care of you like for life, forever and ever. Take care of you, okay? Let's go inside.
Okay.
Boy. Hey, babe. I forgot my phone. Like
Maybe we take it from
no. Let me go now.
No, don't worry.
You know, you shocked me,
Bro.
Yeah. I know you just see me, you dey laugh.
Yeah, you foolish girl. Why you go forget that kind of thing?
And I don't promise she come
For girlfriend's daytime.
Funniest part we say she can't bring gift for me, like weird stuff. She can't bring her for me.
Okay, now you can't be the girl.
She bring her for me, say she just want to gift me.
Eh.
You never done before.
As intro.
I be not even
As
the
intro
gift
to take-
I be not the use that give am excuses, say, but
But
I don't know what I want to do. I don't
Wetin you wan
like
come do?
I dry and I only condom day. Now why I even call her? You dey laugh, I don't like what you do. Come on from here,
Your
Joe.
matters.
So I say stop doing those things they are doing. I don't like it. Like next time we don't dress like
Pick this call.
we are now.
Hello? Your boyfriend love you.
I don't die, my fans.
See what he gave you. Oh, I'm so happy for you. I gave you money bouquet too.
Like who is that?
Come and see.
Who's
See what her
is
boyfriend
this
give her.
Lola Day?
Yeah.
But I thought you should stop speaking with this girl too.
Why? She's my friend.
She's your friend.
What's wrong with this guy? Babe, I'm going to call you back. Leave me
Now, what are
alone.
you
I'm
saying?
tired of
What
this
are you
relationship.
saying
I've
now?
been showing you what my friend's boyfriend gives them for girlfriend's day. You are telling me you're not feeling fine.
I'm not.
I'm
I
really
swear, see the way
I'm tired. I
calm
can't
down
wait
now.
till
Like I will buy. Like no, now, but I'll buy you something eventually. Now just calm down now, please.
So why are you not giving me
Just
scope?
calm down, baby. Now just.
For daytime.
Guys,
don't get.
Get it, Joe. Get it, Joe, boy.
Move.
Walk by flower for which?